Do you crave to have volume in your hair like a supermodel? If you have straight hair like Drudy, I'm gonna show you how to make it nice and full using Velcro rollers. I'm using volumizing tonic on Drudy's hair today. In order to make this a nice fast blow dry, we're not gonna start from soaking wet. This is actually Drudy's day-old hair, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna refresh it by using a little bit of product. So where you're spraying your product is important. I'm gonna spray where these little hairs are sticking up. And I'm also going to apply the product into the root area. So if you've, say, been working at the office all day long and you're going out in the evening, this is a really easy way to add volume into your hairstyle. And then you just want to massage that product right in. What this will also do is it's gonna wake up the root area to make sure that you get the lift that you're looking for. Drudy's growth pattern also likes to grow this way. So if we part her hair with the growth pattern, it's gonna sit flat. If I part her hair against the growth pattern, she's gonna get volume, which is key to supermodel hair. Before we blow dry, you wanna section. I recommend that you section at the top of the head first. And again, if you're doing this at home, you don't have to make sure that it's super professional, but sectioning hair is going to make it easier for you to blow dry. It'll also make it faster. So if you take a little bit of time to set things up, it'll become more efficient in the end. I'm gonna be round brushing Drudy's hair when it's dry, so it's important that I choose the right round brush. I'm using a round brush here that has a ceramic inside, which will heat up with nylon bristles. The nylon bristle isn't gonna flatten down her cuticle because she already has really, really flat, shiny hair. And I want to try to encourage as much texture in Drudy's hair as possible. So what I'll be doing is I'll be blow drying and making sure to really give that hair a nice curve. With the curve of the round brush, I'll then set Drudy's hair on a Velcro roller. This way, the Velcro roller will hold the hair intact while it cools and hardens and keeps the shape. Drudy's hair has cooled completely in the Velcro roller set. Now when I'm taking out the Velcro rollers, I want to be careful not to pull on Drudy's hair too much or else she'll lose volume. So when I'm unrolling the Velcro roller, just make sure that you're holding it by the edges so that the hair flows freely from the Velcro roller. Because the biggest thing with creating volume like this is you don't want to flatten it out prematurely. And that can happen if you're being too aggressive. The second step is to add a little bit of a light hairspray at the root before you shake out the whole set. So just gonna apply a little bit all over. And what shaking out your set will do is it'll just remove any sort of partings that you don't intentionally want in the hair. As you can see, Velcro rollers give a ton of volume. But volume will go away as we have more and more gravity on our hair. Gravity is amazing for digestion, really, really bad for beauty. So if Drudy's wearing her parting on this side, throughout the day as she loses volume, she can easily flip her hair over so she'll create that nice lift again and again. True supermodel hair, you're gonna flip it from side to side and have beautiful, wonderful, all day or evening volume.